Okay, I'm back. It's literally been an hour since I filmed my own video, and so my daughter got home quicker than I thought she would, and she's changed out of her uniform, and I've changed out of my dress that I was wearing, so now I've just put on a sweatshirt because we're going to her play practice tonight.
Play practice?
Sorry, musical practice. Rehearsal. Okay, she's in.
Newsies. And I'm on 9.
Alright, so here's your Beautylish regular bag. So she saw what was in my extra large and she was super excited about some of the items.
Oh my god, that stuff you put right on my nose.
I gave her some, like, calm down, like, essential oils. Okay, so do you want it to be a surprise? Like, close your eyes and look? What do you think?
Yeah.
So to do that, you kind of like, I'm not going to look, I don't want to look either, but you kind of have to close your eyes and then you have to reach into this bag thing.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay.
Here, okay, wait, I want you to see. Okay, I'm just going to do it. Oh, it's really, I'm not looking, I'm trying not to look. Okay, so you just kind of, okay, so you go beneath the paper and reach into the bag and pull things out one at a time. There should be 6 items, okay? For you.
It looks so weird.
Well, anyways, this is CW. If you've been following this channel for a long time, you've definitely seen it. But she's now grown quite a bit. She's almost my height. Wait, it's
I'm in high school.
Okay, honey, the entrance to this bag is really, wait. Shoot, where did it go? Okay, hold on. It's right here. Oh, I actually use that stuff.
What is this for? Your face?
Look. No, it's for your hair. So you know how I've got like really bad dry ends? I use it as
I don't have dry ends, I have oily everything, so.
No, it's good for like
these babies? Right.
No, don't just use it at the bottom of your hair instead of like, and use it as like a conditioner or whatever. So it's the R & Co.
This is pretty.
Wait, tell them what it is.
R & Co. High Dive Moisture Plus Shine Cream. Flame Hydration Plus Balance.
I do really like it. It works really well. Brilliance. We can look up, I'll look at the prices and put them right here, in between us. Okay. One.
Oh.
She's closing it. What?
Oh wait, is that an eyeliner?
Is it a lip pencil or an eyeliner?
Lip pencil.
Okay, so what color is the lip pencil?
I'm not sure.
Because I got a lip pencil too. She didn't much care for my walnut color because it's dark.
I don't really do lip pencils unless I'm going to something formal.
If it's a good color, I'll take it. Oh, that's a pretty
unless
color.
I'm going to something formal. Actually, I have a lip gloss almost this color.
I would use
just
this.
like
What color is that?
Hold on. Natural Berry.
Ooh, Natural
The Essential Lip Pencil. That's really hard to say. Lip pencil.
That's actually really pretty.
Oh, that's sharp.
That's pretty. See, this one I prefer to the color
That's sharper than my eyeliner.
She does. So I knew she would like this because she's
I
really
do.
into makeup, obviously.
I do eyeliner.
Oh, what's that?
What is a serum? Facial oil.
Facial oil. The oil's good. So people
This is
have this
pretty.
misconception that if you have any sort of like oily skin, you shouldn't use oil on your face. But that's
It's not really
completely false.
oily skin that I have. It's more like dry skin. I have
Oh, so
really
this
dry
is gonna
skin
be
on my
good.
face, on my forehead.
It's
This is a
still.
pretty-
It's just. It just does nice things for you.
It is like a serum. Oh, that is a weird packaging. Whoa, that is
So
really,
read
really
what it's
tiny.
called. Ultra high. Okay, you say it.
Ultra hydrating facial oil.
So Good Molecules is an inexpensive brand, so this is probably $10 or $12.
Oh, I like my smile.
See, since you've got my smile. So the oh, she got her bag by the way from AV. I had DA.
Arizona, Vancouver.
I think I see something. It's gonna be exciting. I hope it's what
It's
I think it is.
this is the retro.
What? I have. Oh, these are great. These are called fan brushes.
So you get them on like.
Yeah, to do highlighters with. Oh, I need to give you some highlighters
That's
if you're
good.
really into them.
I'm really into highlighters.
These are perfect. What company is it from?
Hold on. Japan.
No.
Oh.
That's where it's made.
Fan Pro. Sonyag.
Sonia G.
Sony.
Sonyag. Hey, Sonia.
I like this cover.
She's very, very. It's kind of expensive. And she's got beautiful brushes. I actually got a Sonia G as well.
I thought you were
was like
talking
a
about
base
me.
brush.
I was like, are you talking about me being expensive?
Wait, oh shoot. I was going to get you the highlighter palette that I have and give it to you. Oh well. You know, I have an extra highlighter palette that I very rarely use, but hey, maybe we need to pull it like that.
Annie got me a highlighter, but
Did
it's
she?
not really prominent.
Okay, here. This
It's
one's
not
good.
sparkly enough.
You like this one. So this is one by Glowdiant Makeup Palette.
I love that packaging.
It's really pretty. And then the colors are really like,
Whoa.
so I don't use it a ton, but they really do have a lot, like the good saturation.
I like
Come here.
highlighter a lot.
So yeah, she always puts the tape at the bottom. So don't even worry about taking it off. If you want to, I can just show it. But anyways, it's a lot like my base brush, but obviously meant more for
Base brush.
a pretty base brush. So.
Base brush. What is this? Lipstick.
What's the lipstick that goes with?
Oh, ooh, this one's lighter.
Oh yeah. What color is it?
Cashew.
Cashew. I think I have cashew. I'm glad I
Cashew.
knew what this is.
I have some Glossier on right now.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
Not sponsored.
I keep
Glossier
getting
is,
like emails from Glossier because of your one order you made.
well, just ooh, I never knew that was
I
there.
think I have the
Nice.
cashew.
Ah,
I have to be more careful about how I store my
this is
lipsticks.
pretty. This is really pretty.
What color is it? Is it
Cashew.
Okay, wait.
It's like brown.
Yeah, no, I think I have that same one.
I'm gonna put a little bit on. I'm sorry,
I
Glossier.
can't find it. You can put it on. Dang it.
Whoa,
I
it
need to
is-
be like I have like a little organizer. but I only have
Ooh, this
one.
is actually really pretty on me.
Wait, I have cashew.
With the Glossier, it's really pretty.
This one here.
Yeah, with the
Did
Glossier.
you show off the color? What did you just drop? You're worse than your mom. No, you're just as bad as I am.
Thank you.
Oh, it's pretty. Let me see. Wait, you didn't put it on very dark. Let me put it on again.
Hold on.
What just dropped? Okay, I only dropped 2 things from my little lipstick.
I'm so bad at putting on lipstick. It's prominent enough. I think it's just a little bit more nude, so it's like.
It looks really pretty on you. It suits you. On you.
Yeah, because I like lighter. Lighter.
So we got this.
Unless I'm going to something FOMO. Oh, speaking of which, the winter FOMO is on February 4th. I think I'm going to do that. If everyone else is going.
Ooh. This one.
This is in French.
I had mentioned this before. So in my last video, I talked about Mob Beauty and how I had done an exhaustive
There is
review
nothing
of
in
it.
there.
Okay, so this is the compact. Have you ever seen what I travel with sometimes? I have a compact that's bigger and has all the colors in it, and I used it in Poland last summer. Had like a cream blush in it. Anyways, I actually did an exhaustive review for YouTube about Mob Beauty. I got like a palette from them and it came pre-filled with everything. So these are reusable. So you can put, this is meant for like cheek blush or 2 eyelashes,
Why do I look so buff in this
2
shirt?
eyeshadows. I can do a blush.
Why do I look
So
buff?
I have a feeling there will be a blush that goes in this together.
Oh my god, look at that! Oh, that's so cute.
The Lucky Bag, seriously. What? You got eyelashes? Ariel,
Maybe I'll wear those to the FOMO.
I cannot
I mean
put
the
these
WOFO.
on. You're gonna have to get someone to put these on for you. 'Cause
I mean the
am bad
WOFO.
at it.
I mean I can put my own eyeliner on, so.
What is it? Ariel Natural.
I mean I don't know if I'll wear those, but I might wear them to next year's homecoming.
I mean, they're pretty.
If someone asks me out to homecoming.
You'll put like, if you can get these on, you'll look really pretty.
But I'm saving it. Ooh.
See, that's the blush insert for this.
Blush.
I hope I'm remembering probably.
Maybe I'll do that right now.
Chris's
I'm gonna do that right now.
You know, I can show you how to do it because. Anyway, the review is down below and it's also up here.
Ooh.
I might have already pointed out. Oh, honey, it's okay. It's okay.
My fingers.
She
Cause I have long fingernails.
she accidentally did that. Well, here. Let's just. It's a cream blush. So all you need to
I
do
hate
is
blush,
go
but-
in and.
I only like it on my nose.
I think that's a pretty color for you. What do we think, YouTube world? It's a little bit of a flush. Oh, you look beautiful.
I blush enough.
Yeah, let me do this.
Maybe in the.
Oh, it's not. I don't think it's actually a cream blush. I think it's a.
I look like Rudolph.
Sorry, it's not a cream blush.
Mom,
It's
this
like.
is a lot. This is a lot of blush.
No, it's meant to be. I'm sorry. It's not a cream blush.
It's a lot of blush.
It's actually a powder blush. So I should have probably put it on with Okay, so to get it in there so you can't push it down, what ends up happening is you have to go like this to close it, and then it does it somehow magically. Wait, am I wrong? I'm not.
I know there's like the big thing, but I wonder if there's anything.
Oh, that's right. No. You have to go like this. I remember now. You have to take the bottom part up. Well, she's getting her next thing out.
I'm just like seeing if there's anything small.
There's that one last thing that I'm really hoping is the thing that we're going to share. It's the one I wanted and I told you about. All right, then you click it in like this.
Glam palette. Eyeshadow palette.
I wanted the retro glam more,
but
she got the glam palette, the actual eyeshadow palette. I got the glam face palette, and you got the glam palette. This is awesome. So, there's a lot of people watching this going, I wish they had the glam eye palette. This is a big deal.
Whoa, that looks like an iPad. That's an entire iPad mini, you guys. I'm gonna text on it later. And that was a laptop. That is brown. Wait, hold on.
No, don't. It's gonna blind them because of the lights. We can do that later because it would literally blind them because the mirror blinds it. Okay, fine. We'll do a little bit. Look, here's the colors. Look how pretty those are.
It looks like a computer.
They're really good. So
they're good when you want to go natural.
Well, no, it's not just natural because you've got like. Oh, and they have on this one center eyelid, outer eyelid, inner corner, crease, transition, smoke, center eyelid. So it's like the Glam Face palette that I have, but it has more eyeshadow colors. So this is really special because it has these really special, like some of these shimmers, like this one here. It's really hard to tell, but it has not just like a mid brown. It's got a little bit of a gray in there. So it gives it a little bit more depth.
I did a really bad face.
So these really would be just beautiful to like, especially with people who have like eyes that are kind of opposite color, like in browns. Your hazel would look really pretty with that.
I think if you had a blue,
I think it would look really pretty with the blue, but I think
it would look better with green eyes. Green eyes.
Anyway. So this is an exceptionally beautiful palette, and I think you're going to look very pretty with these colors. So
I wear like blues and greens and stuff though, because I like contrast.
I think I'm going to give her.
I do pink and purple a lot.
I think I'm going to give her the little Viseart palette that I got, the one that I already have one of, because she really liked the blue in there. So
yeah, I like vibrant colors that look like I'm a model in the 80s. So
yeah, I think I should probably let me link to the video I just did so you can see my extra large box or bag or whatever. So this is cool. I'm glad I could share this with you. So are you happy with your first one? So we have
one. If you know me personally, don't say hi to me.
1.
Don't mention this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The glass would work too. 8.
This is the best one.
And 9. She had 9 items. Dang, girl. Okay, so we'll do the math and we'll tell you how much it all costs. Which one is your favorite out of all of these?
I'm gonna have to decide. Either the lipstick. I actually really like the lipstick. I was not expecting that.
I can give you my other cashew because I rarely wear it, so you can have 2 of them. So the lipstick.
This one might help me, or not that one. The serum.
So the serum and the lipstick.
Yeah.
And what about the fan brush?
That one's gonna be very helpful.
Okay. All right. So I tell you what. Do you want me to keep the glam one in here?
These ones.
Do you want me to keep this in here so we can have it to use together?
They said you don't have eyelashes, and I said. So they gave me these.
So I think what's nice about my bathroom is that it has a bright light from the mirror because it's within the mirror. So putting eyelets together is pretty easy in here.
How much do these cost?
I think the Ariel lashes are like $6 or something, so not very expensive.
Are they reusable?
I think so. Does anybody know? Can you please comment down below?
I'm very invested in these eyelashes. I've never gotten
Who's your
big eyelash. Ooh, I did also like this one though.
Well, no, but I
Oh,
gave
sorry.
you this. That was what I gave you.
I'm gonna try this today.
So out of my XL
Ooh,
bag,
wait, maybe.
Yeah.
That's the brush. Okay.
she's gonna try it right
I'm
now.
gonna try right now.
Okay, so while she's doing that, out of my XL bag, what was your favorite item?
The one with the blue eyeshadow.
Oh, the Viseart. Okay, and out of her bag is obviously this, because I had even mentioned wanting this particular palette or the retro.
Yeah,
glam.
you can keep that one. I
Oh
just.
no, I want to use it with you.
Well, I mean,
I'll share it, obviously. Okay. Let's see what it does. Oh, yeah, girl. Look at that. You can see it. Wait, you can definitely see it.
Mhm.
It's like shining.
Maybe. Ooh, maybe I'll
Here,
have this
try it on your
one.
cheek too. Right here. No, up. Like,
I want to.
God, to be young. And look at this. Look, it's just like shining all over her. Gorgeous little girl.
But
Look how pretty you are. Okay, all right.
boys are the worst though. So.
It's okay. They get slightly better as they age. Oh shoot.
That's-
Okay.
That's why I like older.
All right, we're gonna say bye-bye now. Bye.
I look like your sister.
Maybe she will be back.
Mom, I
Oh,
look
you're
like-
very sweet. To think that anybody would think they were sisters.
I just look old.
I'll take cool aunt. I'm actually mom. Okay. So we'll be back next year with her for sure, because I think
Next
we need to.
year?
These only come out once a year.
I like these though.